you for watching Lango News Channel.
Security pe ye don wan pe kere pe hokere mat beti pe hokere mat jen jon bi ke medi kum et dan tin gina me ching mir ba kor gina wor ma ja ana bamia por kan te tin di town with impunity binu che gi jo yo ko du no manu no pe no ye dan wan pe ye ni no ye Lira City we are not going to breed impunity in Lira City no that kor very security kor gina kari Dr. Jen kari na
tukariye polls pien itachika gamente takido electoral commission or releasing roadmap mechung nuodongo yabo lekne kayinde timi mechung iramo chako kelo mirni oho.
Lira City Council warns Kakebe Technologies over mounting unauthorized campaign posters. Kakebe Technologies applied for permission on August 18, 2025 to display campaign posters on streetlights across the city. However, the request was denied. Thank you for watching Lango News Channel. I am Dennis Ngor. Lira City Council has issued a formal warning to Kakebe Technologies Ltd for mounting political campaign posters on street light poles without official permission. In a letter authored by Miiro Tom on behalf of the City Town Clerk and addressed to the company's director, Sedric Otolo, the council stated that the Kakebe Technologies had applied for permission on August 18, 2025 to display campaign posters on streetlights across the city until December. However, the request was denied. Despite the lack of approval, the company reportedly went ahead and mounted the posters. Speaking on the matter, Lira City spokesperson Robert Okello Ayo condemned the action, stating what Kakebe did was wrong and the company must come out openly to resolve the matter with the Lira City Council. Director Otolo Sedric, when contacted, said he would issue a response later. This incident comes amid growing political tension in Lira City following allegations that supporters of Minister of Health Dr. Jane Ruth Acheng Oshero had defaced campaign posters belonging to Minister of Gender Betty Amoy Akena. The dispute has further fueled rivalry between the two camps ahead of the upcoming elections. The letter also came a day after Amoy placed back her posters that were removed from the streets of Lira City. The exercise attracted a number of people, to the annoyance of the security of Lira City, headed by the resident city commissioner Lira, Lawrence Egole, who threatened that he will not allow any politician on the street with his or her supporters anymore. I thank you for watching Lango News Channel. Be alert for more.
Thank you for watching Lango News Channel. Please subscribe for more updates.